This is a short video to cover the various options that are available when it comes to importing data into QuickBooks, both desktop, online and point of sale. You're probably watching this because you have a problem, albeit hopefully a nice problem, that your business is going well, you have lots of orders and that you're growing fast. But what used to take you, a few hours is now taking days to complete. It's frustrating because you have the data in Excel or in text files, but you can't find a way to get that easily into QuickBooks without having to spend hours rekeying that in. So what are the options that are available to you? I've tried to make a summary of these, and this is a quick summary. I'm not going to demonstrate these here, but I'll give you an overview so that you can go on to investigate which are the best suited to you. First up is the built-in Excel import feature. So within QuickBooks, you can just go to File, Utilities, Import, and select Excel files. It's an easy way to quickly load in customers, items, or vendors into a QuickBooks company file, both desktop and works for QuickBooks Online as well. It's great for when you're starting a file. It's limited to just those list types and will not do transactions. Next is the Iif format. Now this is a legacy import format for importing into QuickBooks Desktop. It's easy to use, again, from directly within QuickBooks. It supports a wide range of transactions and lists, but has limitations. The format is very complex to create, and if problems occur, it's actually very hard to troubleshoot and correct those. It doesn't work for QuickBooks Online and requires you to be in single user mode. The more recent batch entry feature enables you to copy and paste transactions from Excel into QuickBooks, but it's only found in the Accountants edition of QuickBooks Desktop. It requires a specific Excel template structure and only supports a limited number of transaction types and has limited field sets. Finally, you have the option of third-party data import utilities that specialize in importing data from many different formats and in varying structures. Z-Axis is an example of one of those, and one that I'm the publisher of. It supports the most comprehensive list of transaction and list types. It works with QuickBooks Desktop, Online, and Point of Sale. It includes a host of advanced features to make the most challenging import tasks simpler, and it's all for a modest fee. Importing is down to 3 simple steps. You browse to the file that you want to import. You select a mapping. You have powerful advanced features that you can select as well. You preview the data, and then when you're ready, you can process the import directly into QuickBooks. There are smart features. For example, if you import a customer item that doesn't exist in QuickBooks, Access will automatically create them for you. You can choose to either duplicate or overwrite existing transactions, or use QuickBooks numbering. There are also help screens within the product and a series of online tutorials similar to this one where you can learn how to use the basic and advanced functionality in your own time. Z-Axis is a smarter and simpler way to import into QuickBooks. You can download a 30-day free trial from our website.